Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 5 LO5. Understand how AI can be used for both offense and defense in the realm of cybersecurity. In this video, you will explore how artificial intelligence impacts cybersecurity, examining its dual role in both defending against and enabling cyber attacks. Understanding these dynamics is essential for developing effective and proactive security strategies. AI enhances cybersecurity defense by scanning network traffic and filtering emails. It identifies patterns and anomalies in data, making it a powerful tool against threats. Intrusion detection systems use machine learning to spot unusual network behavior. AI also excels in malware detection by recognizing malicious code based on behavior. These applications move security from reactive to proactive. AI also poses significant threats in cybersecurity. Data poisoning involves injecting malicious information into training data. Deepfakes create convincing fake identities for fraud and scams. AI-generated social engineering campaigns use tailored messages for attacks. Adversarial attacks modify algorithms to mislead detection systems. Dark AI exploits security vulnerabilities for malicious purposes. It automates vulnerability, discovery, and exploit generation. Attackers use AI to adapt attacks based on defensive responses. This makes attacks more persistent and adaptable. Dark AI accelerates the attack lifecycle, posing new challenges for defenders. AI enhances offensive cyber operations by increasing attack speed and sophistication. Phishing and social engineering become more convincing with AI-generated messages. AI modifies malware to evade detection systems. It scans systems for vulnerabilities faster than manual methods. Credential attacks are optimized using AI-based strategies. AI improves defensive operations by enhancing threat detection and response. It analyzes vast data beyond human capability, identifying patterns and anomalies. Intrusion detection systems use machine learning for unusual behavior detection. AI aids in malware detection by recognizing behavioral patterns. Automated incident response prioritizes alerts, enabling proactive defense. AI in cybersecurity creates a continuous arms race. As defensive systems improve, attackers adapt using AI to evade them. Adversarial techniques confuse machine learning-based detection systems. This dynamic shifts security from static rules to continuous learning. Monitoring and adaptation become essential for effective defense. AI strengthens defense but introduces risks such as bias and false positives. Poorly trained models can be manipulated. Over-reliance on automation reduces human oversight. Effective security requires combining AI with human expertise. Governance and ethical controls are crucial for mitigating AI risks. AI is a force multiplier in cybersecurity, enabling both attackers and defenders. It scales and personalizes attacks while enhancing threat detection. Understanding both sides is crucial for designing resilient systems. Anticipating AI-driven threat evolution is essential. Balancing AI's benefits with its risks is key. AI is used preventatively to stop attacks before damage occurs. It excels in analyzing large data volumes continuously. Network traffic monitoring identifies anomalies indicating malicious activity. Email filtering detects phishing and malware before reaching users. AI adapts to evolving threats, maintaining effectiveness. AI monitors network traffic to detect anomalies indicating threats. Machine learning models recognize unusual patterns, such as traffic spikes or unexpected data transfers. These may signal malware or unauthorized access attempts. AI identifies previously unseen threats, crucial for prevention. Real-time flagging allows immediate response. AI-based email filtering detects malicious content before it reaches users. It analyzes sender reputation, message structure, and language patterns. Machine learning models excel at spotting phishing emails. AI reduces user interaction with malicious messages, preventing credential theft. Automated filtering enhances security at the entry point. AI's preventative advantage lies in its adaptability to evolving threats. Models can be retrained with new data, maintaining effectiveness. This adaptability makes AI essential in proactive security strategies. Early detection and automated response prevent harm. AI is a critical component of modern defense. AI amplifies existing attack techniques by lowering skill barriers. It automates and scales attacks, making them more adaptive. Data poisoning targets AI training phases, introducing misleading data. Deepfakes convincingly replicate identities for fraud. AI-generated social engineering tailors messages for greater success. Adversarial attacks exploit weaknesses in machine learning models. Carefully crafted perturbations cause misclassification. Examples include modified images, fooling recognition systems. Altered malware bypasses AI detection. These attacks target model decision boundaries, evading defenses without alerts. Dark AI is used for malicious purposes like vulnerability discovery. It automates exploit generation and adapts attacks. AI coordinates large-scale attacks with minimal input. This accelerates the attack lifecycle from reconnaissance to exploitation. Dark AI poses new challenges for defenders. AI enhances attacks by making them faster and more targeted. It introduces new attack vectors exploiting AI-based systems. Security shifts from defending static systems to learning systems. Data integrity and model robustness become critical. Understanding AI as a potential adversary is essential. AI operates at scale, analyzing vast amounts of data in real time. It improves threat detection by recognizing malicious behavior. AI automates responses, reducing incident response time. Consistency and accuracy are enhanced, avoiding fatigue-related errors. AI is invaluable for zero-day and insider threat detection. AI introduces risks like adversarial exploitation and over-reliance on automation. Manipulated inputs can mislead AI systems. Automation reduces human oversight, leading to severe consequences. Ethical and privacy concerns arise from extensive data collection. Dual-use misuse creates an ongoing arms race. AI strengthens security by improving detection and scalability. However, it expands the attack surface and introduces new vulnerabilities. Effective use requires balanced deployment with human oversight. AI is neither a guaranteed solution nor an inherent threat. Its impact depends on responsible implementation. Balanced deployment with strong controls is essential for effective AI use. Continuous monitoring of AI behavior is necessary. Transparency in decision-making builds trust. Human oversight ensures accountability and ethical use. These measures maximize AI's benefits while minimizing risks. Conclusion: effectively balancing the advantages of AI with its associated risks is essential for developing resilient and robust security systems. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 074843616888. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.